Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking a Bath. And the bathroom is the only place you can place your gases in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, www.themanwhosetsetHimselfOnFire.com. Also have a PayPal donation link in the description of the video. Here's a quick one for you. Now, you know I've been preaching how you can be your own boss and start your own internet and cable company. Now, one of the things that you're going to face, the challenges I should say you're going to face when trying to start a new business, is advertising. You can put videos on YouTube, but if you don't have a prominent following or you're a small YouTuber, it's gonna be hard for you to break out. So I recommend that you take advantage of those social media platforms other than YouTube, your Twitter, your Instagram, but especially Facebook. I want to show you a quick way how you can generate a great marketing tool using videos to advertise on Facebook. And these basically is going to be little or mini commercials for you that's going to be able to be up there as long as you wanted to have it on Facebook, and you can share it. You can ask people to tag people in that, and you can change up the order of it any way you want to do it. I'm talking about the Facebook watch party feature. Now, I'm gonna give you a quick peek of how I use it and how you can use it. And again, this is a great marketing strategy because it is a video that you can use basically as a commercial. People, let's jump right into it and I'll show you how to get it done. All right, so here I am on my Taking a Bathroom official Facebook page. Now, you can do this on your regular page, or if you want to set up a page just for your company, you can go ahead and do that. The main things you want to do is whatever page you have, you want to put videos on there. Now, we all know when we put videos on Facebook, a lot of people don't view it right away. And what you have to do, you have to keep sharing the video and tagging people in the video. And people can get tired of you tagging them in the videos. So take advantage of the watch party feature. Make sure you have all the videos you need or all the information you want your potential customers to have on that particular page that you want to start your watch party on. Let me go into some details. So one of the things I'm going to do, guys, let me see. I want to share information about how to the Wi-Fi internet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find any video that I have up here about selling Wi-Fi internet. As you see right here, I'm going to put the start watch party, and then it's going to ask me if I want to add videos. And what I want to do, I can go right here and I can just go and add other videos, put it in the queue. Anything related to, check this out, anything related to the internet method, right? So when I'm selling it, I tell people they can have internet, Wi-Fi, and cable. And I have videos that I already uploaded to Facebook. I'm on that page, and so I just want to add all of those videos to one queue. Now that I have everything that I want added, go ahead and click done, and then you want to just put in the description. Now, what I want to do, I want people to learn my method. I'm asking for that $25 donation for the video. It's going to be in the description of this video right here. The donation is for a 20-minute video that I walk you through all of the steps on how to buy the proper equipment. All equipment is not equal. All equipment do not work. I learned it the hard way. The way to buy the equipment, where to go to buy the data plans. You can't just go to AT&T or somewhere, because what's going to happen, you're going to buy one of their plans and you're going to get throttled. Throttle means that they're going to lower your speeds over time. You have to buy the carpet plan. So we have that secret website where you go and buy as if you was a big corporation buying bulk, and they will not throttle your speeds. So I put that information, whatever you want them to know, put that information right here. And then you can see down here, I have all of my videos in a queue. I go ahead and I press start. Now, I can go ahead and even invite people that I think might be interested. So if I have customers or clients, load this down, customers or clients, I can go ahead and invite them. Look over to the right hand side. If I think that they're interested in it, just go ahead and invite them to this watch party. I can communicate with them, and if I'm doing it on the cell phone, I can even turn on the camera, guys, and talk to them during the process. So this is a great tool that you can take advantage of, especially if you have potential clients. You can't talk to everyone one-on-one. You can't share one video here and there with everyone. You can come right here, take advantage of your local platform. You know that in most cases, people on your Facebook page, you have access to them. If you're doing it on a bigger platform such as YouTube, you might get swallowed up. If you don't have a big following, your business will pick up. Hey, it's your boy Taking a Bathroom. Until next time, peace. Giving you the tools to be your own boss. If you want to get the video, just cash out me or send me a PayPal donation of $25. I shoot that video over to you. you. Remember, if you cash out me or send me a PayPal donation, please put your email. If I don't have an email address, I can't send you the information. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.